Hi, everybody. Kara James here from Pursue and Thrive Business Coaching and Advisor with Strategic Advisor Board. Hi, today we are going to talk about shaving some hours off your week, maybe 5, maybe 10. How does that sound? We all would like more free time, right? Or time to do the things that we want to do, that we choose to do. Um, it doesn't have to be, um, you know, hiring and paying out tons of money. So some of the things I mentioned, like, yeah, sure, wouldn't it be nice to have a cleaning lady if you can't afford it? But what I'm saying is, take what you want. My favorite saying, take what you want and leave the rest. And of course, we all know that you could have thought of these things on your own if you really wanted it. But I'm just going to throw a bunch of little ideas out there. And I think you might say, wow, I wouldn't even have thought about something as simple as that. Right. So I'm not trying to insult anybody's intelligence or anything like that. But here's one thing that I had done. And it's like, yeah, well, why didn't I do that before? When you're busy or when I'm alone or just my husband and I and my kids are gone, do I need to be cooking dinner every night? No. So what about Uber Eats? Right. So call them in. I mean, besides batching some meals on Sunday, which is another idea that I'd like to share, or when you're free, make a few things that can be leftovers. But yeah, Uber Eats. Same with Instacart. Why take the time now to go out, go to the store, even with gas the way it is? So this is a little off topic of business, but it is giving you a little bit of time back in your week. And then as far as the cleaning goes, what about once a month? What about once every 2 months for that deep clean of just having somebody come in and do that for you? Or if you have a niece or, someone that's teenager, age and just doing some basics for a little extra money. And that goes with things outside, just raking or neighbor kid or, our lawn is huge and boy, it's nice to have the help to and give a little extra money to the kids, right? What else? How about an app like Handy for clearing things out, cleaning things up, things around the house, things that you're maybe YouTubing and trying to figure out how to do. You know what? Just pay somebody $100 or whatever. Save yourself the time. Get on an app like Handy. Amazon, I think, well, I can't speak for everybody. I know it's a big joke with myself and how much I use it and hardly ever go to the store anymore. And just, if you check off the box that you can get everything delivered, so it saves the delivery trips. We don't want to be, my husband says, this doesn't seem very green. Well, okay, we change that. So let's, have everything come, once a week. So no difference in me going out to the store, but it saves a ton of time and it costs just the same. It's so easy. Same thing when I do have to go out, it's just batching my errands and doing them all in one area and making sure that I have things that, depending on which side of town they are, and setting up my groceries that way, or what if, it takes a little planning, a little thinking, but making sure we're all set up so I'm not just driving all around like I used to do. When time wasn't so much, of the essence, going to the craft store and going over on the other side of town to go to Costco and that type of thing. So batching it saves me a ton of time. I literally just shop not even half a day in a week, a couple hours. And if even that, no, with nobody around. But yeah, it's super great to just batch everything. And then as far as the business goes, here's things that you can delegate that maybe you're not, maybe you're doing this yourself, you need to delegate. Maybe you're not ready to hire yet. We can talk about that too. Please reach out to me. But there's so many things that you can just take off your plate. My VA is amazing. And with each new thing, I hesitate because I think, oh, is it going to take more time to teach her this than it is for me to do it? And the same, especially if it's some software, for her to get into my funnel and all of that, the CRM and everything. It's been amazing. I can't imagine her not doing this now. So go ahead, take the time, teach it, create the SOP for it. If you don't know what that is, it's a standard operating procedure, and document that, how it's done, file that away, and then anybody that comes in or have her video, I have been having her do them. So record herself doing different tasks, and then we file that away in Asana. And that way, anybody new that comes in, or if I don't know how to do it, I can watch the video. And I've actually gone and done that when she's not working. So it's something that I need to get done. So yeah, the VAs can pretty much do all of the work except for I would say, of course, the content that you're providing, your coaching or whatever it is in your business. But as far as sending out emails, you can jot those down. You can have a template that, for each course or whatever it is that you're putting out. That's what I have for each different thing. And I just go in and fill it, personalize it with what I want to say. But she has everything all set up in the automation part, and off it goes. Appointment scheduling, posting. I'll create the posts. I'll spend a day and fill in a spreadsheet of what I'd like to get out there. Same thing again with the emails. I mean, it is my wording, but everything else just goes straight to her. What else? Happy Ratings mine. You can, of course, hire out if you wanted, any type of, if you wanted the copywriter, landing pages, sales pages, that type of thing. And I do that. Feel free to reach out. But, otherwise, yeah, just hire that out, or have your VA, you fill it in, have her set it up on the platform. Audio, video editing, they can do that. Oh gosh, I'm just trying to think what else. She does so much. It's heaven, and I'm still busy, but this will absolutely take hours off of your week if you implement some of this and get rid of some of the tasks, especially if you're thinking that, if you're hesitant that it can't be done. It can. It really can. You can use something like Upwork, onlinejobs.ph. Reach out to us at SAB. We have a fabulous VA business. Yeah, we're here to help, and hopefully this helped you. That saved some time. Yeah, reach out to us anytime. Thank you. Oh, if you like this, please like, subscribe, and share. Talk soon.